Picture this. You're 70, but when you rise from a chair, your legs feel 20 years younger, steady, powerful, ready to stroll a mile before breakfast. That scene isn't wishful thinking. It's the promise of targeted nutrition. Today on Elder Bloom, we'll unlock 5 everyday fruits that can help rebuild muscle and outsmart Sarcopenia after 6-0, backed by real science, easy tips, and practical servings. Stay till the end and you'll know exactly what to put in tomorrow's fruit bowl for stronger, steadier golden years. Chapter 1. The Silent Muscle Thief. Sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle mass up to 1% each year after 60, stealing strength, balance, and independence. Muscle isn't just bulk. It's your metabolic engine and fall prevention system. The good news: diet changes can slow and even partly reverse this decline when paired with light, resistance exercise. Fruits matter because their antioxidants, potassium, and vitamin C tame the chronic inflammation that blocks muscle repair, while natural nitrates and polyphenols boost blood flow and protein synthesis. Chapter 2. Why fruit beats pills. Protein powders help, but they don't fight oxidative stress. Antioxidant-rich fruits neutralize the free radicals that age muscle fibers and joints. They also deliver hydration, quick energy, and micronutrients that convert the protein you eat into real muscle fibers. Studies in older adults show that diets rich in colorful produce correlate with higher grip strength and faster gait speed. Chapter 3. Fruit number 1. Tart cherries. Key power. Anthocyanins depress pigments that slash inflammation, accelerate muscle repair, and improve sleep quality, essential for recovery. Regular intake reduced exercise-induced muscle soreness and improved endurance in clinical trials. Daily dose: 1/2 cup of whole tart cherries, or 120 ml. Unsweetened tart cherry juice at breakfast. Real-life tip: blend frozen tart cherries into morning oats. Pair with a scoop of Greek yogurt to add muscle-building protein. Chapter 4. Fruit number 2. Blueberries. Key power: polyphenols plus vitamin K that boost mitochondrial function and protect motor neurons. In a 6-week trial, 2 cups daily improved mobility scores in seniors. Daily dose: 1 cup fresh or thawed berries as a mid-morning snack. Real-life tip: keep a container of washed blueberries at eye level in the fridge. Convenience equals compliance. Chapter 5. Fruit number 3. Pomegranate. Key power: elagitannins convert to urolithin in the gut, shown to stimulate mitochondrial recycling, mitophagy, and muscle endurance. A 12-week placebo-controlled study found better leg press strength and walking speed with pomegranate extract in adults. 55-70. Daily dose: 3/4 cup arrows or 150 milliliters 100%. Pomegranate juice post-workout. Real-life tip: sprinkle arrows over salads. The sweet tart crunch replaces sugary dressings. Chapter 5. Fruit number 3. Pomegranate. Key power: elagitannins convert to urolithin in the gut, shown to stimulate mitochondrial recycling, mitophagy, and muscle endurance. A 12-week placebo-controlled study found better leg press strength and walking speed with pomegranate extract in adults. 55-70. Daily dose: 3/4 cup arrows or 150 milliliters 100%. Pomegranate juice post-workout. Real-life tip: sprinkle arrows over salads. The sweet tart crunch replaces sugary dressings. Chapter 6. Fruit number 4. Bananas. Key power: potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. These nutrients restore electrolyte balance, prevent cramps, and support protein metabolism, crucial when building or maintaining lean mass. Bananas also provide fast-digesting carbs that fuel strength training or walks. Daily dose: 1 medium banana before or after activity. Real-life tip: spread natural peanut butter over banana slices for a muscle-repairing combo of carbs, healthy fats, and protein. Chapter 7. Fruit number 5. Avocados. Yes, it's a fruit. Key power: healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and glutathione excellent for joint lubrication, inflammation control, and hormone balance, especially testosterone and DHEA, both linked to muscle preservation in aging. Daily dose: 1/2 avocado at lunch or dinner. Real-life tip: mash avocado on whole grain toast, topped with an egg, creating a balanced meal with fiber, protein, and muscle-protecting fats. Chapter 8: Combining fruit with protein. Eating fruit alone is good, but pairing it with lean protein like Greek yogurt, eggs, or nuts can supercharge its benefits. For example, blueberries with cottage cheese, or banana with almonds. Keep blood sugar stable and provide the raw materials your body needs to repair and build muscle tissue effectively. Chapter 9: Practical weekly plan. Here's how to fit all 5 fruits into your week. Monday: tart cherry oatmeal plus scrambled eggs. Tuesday: blueberries with Greek yogurt. Wednesday: banana and boiled egg post-walk. Thursday: pomegranate arrows over spinach salad. Friday: avocado toast with poached egg. Saturday: mixed fruit smoothie, banana, cherry, blueberry. Sunday: your choice, any combo you enjoyed most. This rotating plan helps create a habit, covers all antioxidant groups, and supports both muscle repair and joint health without boredom. Chapter 10: Final advice and motivation. You don't need exotic powders or expensive supplements to fight sarcopenia. Nature already built the antidote in the color and flavor of these 5 powerful fruits. When you add them consistently to your plate alongside protein, water, and movement, you give your body the tools to age strong, stay balanced, and feel energized. Every step you take after 60 depends on your muscle strength, and every bite you take can build or break it. At Elder Bloom, we believe your best years don't happen by chance, they happen by choice. So start with your next fruit choice, because rebuilding your strength starts one delicious bite at a time. Let us know in the comments which of these 5 fruits is already in your routine, and which one are you going to try this week. Thanks for watching Elder Bloom, where growing older means growing stronger.